It's naughty boy. Oh. Yeah, but how can I raise these two little babies still awake? The other one is still watching cell phone. See, and this one is the baby small. It's feeding, hungry. Huh? Close open, close open, close open, now close open, close open. Yeah, finish dinner. Close open, close open, close open. Why you have small face? Ah, why you have small face? Close open, close open. Yesterday night pa. Yesterday night I was dreaming. Bad dream. The whole town, not only Philippines, all uh, all world. I mean, it's there's zombie, you know, going zombie. And that time, my dream was I was in province. Oh my God, I was in the province. Then we moved to because there's already zombie in the province, but not much. But we moved to run away and going to the city. But more in the city, there's more zombie. I think all zombies there. Then we have to for place to hide, because they're all zombie. Oh my God, my dream is like crazy. That was last night. Mm. Cute. Cute like that. Say hi. He like feeding while he holding my kilikili. See? His hand is in my kilikili. That's naughty, Sanji, no? Dreaming, bad dreaming. Then sometimes also, I don't know why should I dreaming my ex, I don't have to dream them. It's better to move forward, move on for, But I don't know why they're coming my dreams. I don't care them. I don't think anything. I don't think and mostly I did not watch all horror. Mostly I did not watch no horror. Why last night I was dreaming like that, and oh my God, just yeah, my voice now really bad, not really sweet. Someone it's did here like noticing always. No, Daddy, no, come here, come, no, 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 come, give me. Naughty boy. I have to open the light, please. So I'm not hungry, guys, but there's no bread in the store. Don't forget to like, guys, and share the live stream. Don't forget to subscribe and send super chat. Sanjay, send me super chat. Super chat. Sanjay, send me super chat. Naughty boy. Yeah. Yeah, they're hungry too, but they already eat biscuits. But I have peanut, but we don't have bread. In the store, they don't have bread in the delivery early morning. Yeah. Yes, since when that happened after dinner, they're hungry, asking food. Then say, Mama, I'm hungry. Oh my God. Then sometimes I cannot give something, because sometimes I forget to buy outside. And I just let them to sleep.